Hello, everybody. Let's talk crypto, specifically AI. So there's a certain AI coin that I want to talk about today. It's one of my two plays. It's my microcap play. Talked about a few times before. It is when I first got into it about 5 or 6 weeks ago. I think it has doubled. I still think it's a good price entry. I'm looking at DCAing in, depending. I mean, if one of my other coins comes up a little bit, there's two I'm keeping an eye on for when I take a little bit of profit out to move in and compound my gains. I'm looking at putting into this coin to continue. I'm willing to DCA into this up to about 9 cents. It's around 7.3 cents. We'll get into a little bit more in a second. Of course, looking at the full price prediction, which has not changed since last time I talked about it. There's been a lot going on with crypto. A lot of these Trump pump coins have been taking a lot of the attention from good utility coins and a lot of attention from a bunch of Solana shitcoin memes. And I'm waiting for the liquidity to come back. So if any of your crypto right now is down because a lot of people have been panic selling and FOMOing into other coins, okay. If you have conviction in your coins, good time to buy now, not financial advice. But so I'm looking at doing for a couple. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoy any of this educational, hopefully somewhat entertaining information, press the subscribe button, press the like button, and ring the little ding thing so you get notified when I release more information out to you guys. And let me know what you guys think about anything in comments below, including one of my two AI picks. So my biggest AI pick and one of my more bullish crypto that I own is Render, and that is not what we're talking about today. Well, I'll be talking about it again soon. And so what I am looking at is this is an AI agent play. So I'll describe what an AI agent is, but first I'm talking about assembly AI. So this is a micro cap, depending on how you define it. It's got a market cap around 100 million. We'll get into that a little bit. We'll look at charts, do some of that fun nerdy things, of course. But for those who have not heard of Assembly AI or ASM, because I don't blame you for not hearing about it, because we are early. Not too many people have talked about it. If you want, pause this video right now and YouTube Assembly AI or ASM, you're not going to find much, which lets us know we are early. I know we've been early. That's what you want to do in a bull run, by the way, for the most gains, the most multiples for your money is find cryptos that are in a good narrative, that are profitable, have a good team behind them, and that you're early in. Best chances for success in a bull run. So what's this Assembly AI? What do I like about it? What is it? So it is an AI agent specifically for or niching into journalism and newspapers. So if you know what an AI agent is, it's expected, and I believe so, to be the largest AI narrative, is it's intel gathering. Right. So think about it this way: is if you go to a library and you have a librarian ask, "Hey, librarian, help me out, man. Can you help me find information on the history of pens?" Right? Cool. They'll go grab a book, bring it back to you, history of pens. What AI agents do is it will cause thousands of librarians to go to different sources to come back information about the history of pens, and then also history or of things like pens, like pencils and markers. It may be speculation of the future of pens and pencils and markers. And if you want, you say, hey, can you give me this information, librarian and all your thousands of friends, and put it into a 5-page paper. It will do that in a matter of seconds. And that's what AI agents do. And specifically, Assemble AI is doing that for newspapers and journalism. It appears to be the only real crypto that is doing that specifically as a niche. Do I think that is a world-breaking niche? Not really. It's not super sexy, I'm not going to lie, but not many do it. That's a big deal. It's already profitable. This company is being used. It's released more papers just yesterday. You can go on their website and you can see they gladly brag about their projects, what they're doing. They also click statistics and analytics about news out there. So a lot of it, what he knows about crypto, but it will gather information about what is the biggest headlines, what are Google Trends talking about, what are people caring about right now in a matter of seconds, minute at most, gather all the information, make an article. Awesome. It's got a real world term use to it, and it's very specific, and it's been going up, which is awesome. So, what do I like about it other than, okay, here's a niche called AI agents? One, let's get a little degenerate and a little silly for a second, but this is full positive in my eye. One, it's on Coinbase. It's on Coinbase, it's on Binance, it's on Mexi, it's on OKX or OK. Well, I never remember which one that is, but it's on a lot of large exchanges, which matters because when more people can see it. These are the common large exchanges where the majority of people are going to go buy crypto. So if it's in where more people can see, more people can buy. That's a big deal because I don't care how good this one crypto may be. It could be the best fucking crypto in the world, but if it's on a back alley exchange that no one knows about, no one's going to buy it. So it needs to be in front of people and have attention. This one certainly does. A lot of people talk about AI as being one of the largest narratives of this cycle, and I'm in agreement with that. So when it comes down to, again, this is silly, I know. However, it has AI in the freaking name. That matters when it comes to hype. People like, oh, AI coin, what? This thing's only a couple of cents? AI, boom, buy. I know people who has done that. So it's going to happen more and more as things go up. Find an AI token. Oh crap, this one's cheap. Let's buy it. I'm going to tell you to do your own research. Most people do not do their own research. Again, quick little plug-in. I am making a crypto basics series and how to do your own research, or at least how I do it, and how I recommend a few little tricks and what to look for and what matters to me. I'll be releasing that soon. I have a couple others like what's a bull run, what's a bear market, maybe some about narratives, what causes volatility and why does it matter, how can we make use of it, when do we stay away, etc. So if any of the crypto basics, if you're new into this, let me know in the comments below what some things that you don't know or you want to know or you don't understand that you've heard someone else say, and I'll do a full video on it. So it's got AI in the name, cool, people will find it. It's not talked about a lot. We are early. Again, not too many YouTube talk about, don't see it too much on Reddit. It is starting to gain a little bit, which is great. And it has gone up a little bit since I first got into it. It's still about 100 million market cap. We'll pull up those charts momentarily. So it's been around for a little bit, which is also a good sign. There's some excitement about, the red shiny ball syndrome, something that's new. You just want to go after it. But there's also some stability in something that's been around. And in the last bull run, this thing hit about 50 cents. Awesome. There was less coins than it is now, which makes a little bit of a difference. And I have that plugged in into my price prediction, and you can watch my other video on it. I think I titled something like I sold my H bar and brought a new coin. And just that title alone, boy, did that piss a few people off. So if you already lasted this long, thank you for already listening this long. So people give me the most shit for that video didn't watch it because in the first 20 seconds I said I sold about a small percentage of my H bar. Still a great move. Worked out profitable for me. I sold plenty of H bar waiting for that stuff to keep going up. But ASM's worked very well for me, and I hope it does for you guys too. So it did well in the bull run last time. It survived, which is always a good sign, right? It means it's had ground. People's heard of it, right? And it won't go to zero likely. Can't promise, but also, as much as I think it's a decent project, I don't care if it goes to zero after this bull run. I'm going to sell every single one of it before then, right? So, but if it's still around, it picks up more projects, I'll keep an eye on it for the future endeavors in the bear market. So let's pull up a fancy chart by, well, not actually fancy at all, but let's see what's going on. So Assemble AI. Today, at this moment, it's about 110 million market cap. Okay, 109.48 million. It is what it is, right? There's decent volume going on, meaning people are trading it. People are buying and selling. It's not super high at just under 14 million, but it's being used, which is good to see. Let's pull this up a little bit. Okay, this is an all-time chart. Let's look at the last month. Right? Beautiful chart on the last month, guys. This is almost perfect, right? We see it low. So down at the beginning of a month ago, it was around 2.8, 2.7. I got in around the 3.5-ish marker. full transparency. And we look, yes, there's a bunch of up and downs, but look at the gradual. This is over 4 weeks, guys. This shows a strong balance, a strong community to this coin. It's looking pretty good. When you go out to the year, this was the February spike. This one hit early. Most others jumped up March and April, and made a huge cool off. But if we look at as everything starts getting more attention, so let's just look. I had looking at this before. So November, when a lot of crypto started coming, right? Okay, November election time is when it seemed to start to rally quite a bit. Had a little bit of dip, and now we're going off pretty well. Not a bad chart. I'm pretty happy with this. What else do we have going on? So it's around on the lower end of 7 cents. So I'll get into the price prediction very soon, but essentially on the bearish side, I'm thinking at least a 5x from now. Let's actually dive right into the price prediction. Where do I think it's going to go? Right? Because everyone cares about that, even though it's a guess, people. FYI, nothing here is financial advice, but price predictions are a guess. We don't actually know. I came with this guess based off of where it went last time with the full price plus the market cap, which is lower than it will be now because of dilution. There's no more dilution, by the way. All the coins are released. A lot of people like that as a pretty strong positive. Like that's the AI narrative, expecting that to be big. It's easily found, right? Whenever it comes to AI agents, I fully expect that to be one of the largest niche narratives of the cycle, which is pretty freaking cool. I know we're early into it. There's been a few people starting to trickle in. What's going to be big is when either large news of a large partnership comes out or a few, 3 or 4 large influencers talk about it. That's all it takes is a catalyst. And I'm expecting before long. But I'll give you 3 different price predictions here. I'll call it the bearish, realistic, and bullish, right? So the bearish price prediction, I have this thing in about 30 to 35 cents. So still about a 5x around. I'm very confident it's going to hit there. Full transparency, I got in around 3.5 cents. I'm going to sell some of my position just to take out my initial investment and minimal profit around 14.5 cents. And then from there, I'll probably be about 70. I had this all written on document. I think it was around 70% out at 35 cents. And my more realistic all-time high where I think it's going to peak on it is closer to that 50 to 55 cents. There's definitely a chance that this can hit a $1 billion market cap. It really depends on how much people jump into AI, right? I'm not going to bet on this by any means, but it could easily spike and have that candle wick nicking around 62 cents. That would be a $1 billion market cap, about a 10x from now, right? I will have a little bit of a moon bag left over, about 10% of what I own now. I'll keep for that in case it goes up that high, because I'll definitely want to cash that shit in if that's the case. But realistically, I guess we'll call it around 50 cents, give or take. But do your own research. If you don't know how to, follow my Crypto Basics series. There'll be a research episode out pretty soon. There's a bear market, bull market explanation. And if you want more information about ASM, not much has changed. It's been pretty status quo, which is good because it's a decent project. But there's more information on previous videos about it. So I think I'd rather cut this one a little short today. If you have any questions, put them down below. If there's anything that I missed, if you are an ASM Assembly AI god, fill me in. I love updates. There'll be no offense taken if you teach me something. That's actually wonderful. If there's anything you guys want to know, let me know. And just, again, thank you. This channel's been growing a lot thanks to you guys in the last month or two. I've been getting a lot of feedback. I've been able to have enough comments and questions to make 2 episodes based off of just comments and questions asked by you guys. And that's something I want to do more routinely. So if you have any questions, whether it's directly about Assembly AI, AI as a niche or narrative, or anything else that you think I'll respond to, which there's not too many taboo topics. The goal is to keep it a crypto, but what the fuck? We can have a little bit of fun with it, right? Put your comments below, talk to me, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Fighting Crypto, out.